Hi, all. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so this live is actually the last live lah for this chapter. So within this 1 week, I already settled all the topic in this chapter lah. So this live I will complete the topic of mutation part 2. So for last time, 2 o'clock one, I already complete gene mutation. So next, I will proceed to the last topic of this chapter, chromosomal mutation. So, chromosomal mutation, there are two types of chromosomal mutation. The first one is change in chromosome structure, and another one is change in chromosome number. And in chromosome structure, there are four types, and chromosome number, there are 2 types. So chromosome structure, so as we know, chromosome look like this. Chromosome structure means that change in chromosome structure means that one chromosome actually contain many genes. There are di sini dia ada at here got one A, B, C, like D, E, F. These are the genes present in the chromosome. Change in chromosome structure means the structure of this gene is changed. Maybe A tukar kepada sini, E dia tukar kepada sini, ataupun dia tukar change to another type of chromosome. This lah you will learn. For chromosome number, this means that the organism chromosome number is changed. Like human got only 23 chromosome. Right. But sometimes the mutation will occur and make the human only have 22 or have 24, either -1 or tambah 1 or add 1. So this is the chromosome number you have to learn lah. And it has 2 types, aneuploidy and euploidy. Okay, so firstly, this is the definition of chromosome mutation. So this is the change in number of chromosome per cell, or also change in structure of chromosome lah. So the first type of chromosomal mutation is change in chromosome structure. So this is the first type. And then this one got another four types of chromosome structure, include inversion, deletion, translocation, and another one is inversion, translocation, deletion, and duplication. These are the 4 types under the change in chromosome structure. So I did explain chromosome structure means that one chromosome contain many enzymes, contain many genes. So it can maybe have A, B, C, D, E, and F. So inilah dia akan tukar punya, dia akan the structure of the gene inside the chromosome will be interchanged. Okay. So for the first type of chromosome mutation, it is called as inversion. Okay, so inversion means that the segment of chromosome is detached and then reattached in same location but in reverse orientation. So inverse lah, macam terbalik lah. Dia akan terbalik. So if you see this photo, there are 2 types of inversion lah. Either it includes centromer or not include centromer. It not include centromer and include centromer. Not include centromer means that you know that chromosome this part yang tengah-tengah punya kami panggil centromer lah. If not into centromer, centromer means that mutation is occur on either sini. Kalau tak include. Kalau dia include, maksudnya dia akan at here. Kalau dia include, make sure dia mutation will occur at here. Either like this lah. So the name is paracentric and paracentric and pericentric. Para and peri. Para punya tak ada include centromer. Yang peri punya include centromer. Okay. So dia macam mana? So I already say inverse means dia terbalik. The location still same but dia terbalik. Macam ni. Dia cakap A macam ni. A, B, C, D, E. Yang ni normal. But since it got mutation, dia terbalik. Yang ni B, C, D dia sudah terbalik. Dah terbalik, jadi macam ni. Dia jadi A, D, C, B. At the same location also. At the same location, you need to see it is at the same location. But the sequence of the gene is already changed. The sequence of the gene is already changed. It changed to ADCB. Bukan ABCD again. It already changed to ADCB. So this one only include one chromosome only. Hanya include one chromosome only. Yang tak ada include yang cross punya tak ada. Hanya include satu sahaja. Satu sahaja. And then the location is still the same. Hanya terbalik sahaja. Terbalik sahaja. So same as this, you will see that D, E, F, yang tukar terbalik menjadi F, E, F, E, D. Like that lah. Okay. So this one is inversions. Dia hanya terbalik sahaja. Okay. Next is translocation. This one is more difficult sikit, complex sikit. So translocation is the segment of chromosome is detached and then reattached to different position of same chromosome or either same chromosome or other chromosome. So this one is different from inversion. Inversion just dia terbalik but at the same location. But translocation is totally different position. So there are three types of translocation. So yang ni first type we call non-reciprocal intrachromosomal translocation. Another name is just called non-reciprocal lah. Non-reciprocal only. For this one is another name is called cross non-reciprocal. And then this one is called cross reciprocal. Sorry. Betul lah. Non-reciprocal this one is cross non-reciprocal. Betul. This one will be cross reciprocal. This is the another name. I think this one yang buku Oxford book yang say one. But for this one actually it got another name lah. For this one is non-reciprocal intrachromosomal translocation. This one is called non-reciprocal interchromosomal translocation. This one is called reciprocal interchromosomal translocation. So apa perbezaan? So firstly I see the non-reciprocal one. This is the basic one. I already say. So yang ni you see A, B, C, D, E, F. Dia A, B, C. B, C ni dia akan ambil keluar. Lepas tu masuk ke dalam sini. Masuk ke dalam sini. So different location already. And B, C dia it is take out and then insert to the location after the F. So akan jadi macam ni. And then this one only involve same chromosome. Maksudnya hanya involve one chromosome only. Satu chromosome dia sendiri mutate. B, C ni dia keluar, lepas tu masuk ke dalam F belakang. You will get A, D, E. B, C sudah hilang. A, D, E, F, B, C kepada tempat aslinya B, C, G, H. So B, C dia sudah tukar ke sini. Tukar ke sini lah. This is we call non-reciprocal. Okay. Lepas tu we say that cross non-reciprocal. Yang ni because if you see there are the terms cross. Or you see this there are term inter. If you see the inter terms means that these two mutation already involve two different chromosomes. Dia sudah involve two different chromosome. So, apa perbezaan mereka? For yang ni, non-reciprocal interchromosomal means that this one I say, this one chromosome A, this one chromosome B lah. The chromosome A, the BC genes are deattached and then bind and then insert into the chromosome B. So, chromosome B dekat sini. Dia insert ke sini. B dan C, dia sudah insert ke sini. So, dia akan dapat macam ni. So, A punya segment, dia sudah pindah ke dalam B punya. So, you will see this, the final result, you will get A, D, E. Mana B dan C? B, C sudah masuk ke sini lah. B, C sudah masuk ke sini lah. So this one you will get M and B, C. Dapat 2 extra B, C ke sini lah. This one is transfer one chromosome to another chromosome. So this is we call cross non-reciprocal, or another name called non-reciprocal interchromosomal. So this is still non-reciprocal. But for the final type, it's called cross-reciprocal. It is already reciprocal. Reciprocal means that it is exchanged. The mutation is exchanged to each other. So you see this, kalau ini A, ini B, ini A, ini B. The A chromosome, the gene A and B, dia akan berpindah kepada B. At the same time, the chromosome for B also will insert into chromosome A. They are exchange each other one. Ada exchange lah. Exchange material. Yang ni tak ada. Yang ni cross non-reciprocal. Non-reciprocal means dia tak ada no exchange occur. Yang ni ada exchange. So dua-dua chromosome akan di-attach and then to insert from opposite chromosome lah. So yang A ni chromosome A, B ni dia akan insert ke B. Yang B ni MNO akan insert ke dalam A. So you will get this result. So MNO sepatutnya B punya, tapi sekarang sudah jadi A lah. Yang A, B ni sepatutnya A punya chromosome. Sekarang dia sudah jadi B punya chromosome lah. Yang ni is they have the exchange or interaction lah, you can say that is the interaction between the two chromosome. Yang A dan B ni dia tak ada interaction one. Hanya dia di-attach and then insert lah. So maksudnya yang paling senang, A dan B ni hanya bagi duit. Saya bagi duit kepada awak. Saya bagi duit kepada awak. Yang C ni, saya bagi duit kepada awak, then I will have a money back again. A dan B saya bagi duit kepada awak sahaja. Dan saya tak ada duit punya. Saya tak ada duit punya. Saya hanya bagi duit. Lepas tu saya tak ada duit. C punya saya bagi duit. Lepas tu saya pun ada dapat duit. Macam tu lah. Dia maksudnya. Okay. So this is the translocation lah. It's more complex sikit. But actually if you know it is senang saja. There are 3 types lah. Okay, so next deletion. It is very easy lah. Deletion means delete kan. So means that there are one segment of the chromosome is deleted, is removed, and then like this is removed like that only. Deletion senang. Okay, finally is about duplication. So what is mean by duplicate? Duplicate maksudnya dia macam copy lah. Copy. Duplicate, copy kan? It will repeat sequence. So if you see this A, B, C, so B and C is duplicated. So another set of B and C will be added after them. Inilah duplication. So chromosome contain more than one copy of particular chromosomal segment in homologous chromosome. So BC is duplicated, so another set of BC will be added. So if BCD, so maksudnya akan ada satu set BCD yang baru insert into this chromosome. So this one is macam copy lah. It is duplication macam copy lah. Okay, so senang. So just the translocation is more quite complex sikit lah. Okay, so actually chromosomal mutation is habis. Senang je, 4 sahaja. Inversion, deletion, duplication, and translocation. Next is about chromosome number. So this is not including the sequence of the chromosome. It's involved in chromosome number. So there are 2 types. One is called aneuploidy, and another type is called polyploidy. Another one is called polyploidy. So ada perbezaan. Yang ni aneuploidy, yang ni polyploidy. So aneuploidy means that condition where zygote have an abnormal number of chromosomes during fertilization between aberrant gamete with normal. Maksudnya, maksudnya, the zygote is formed. Actually, if you know that our zygote got contain, want to form zygote, we have to have two gametes, right? All organism have to two gametes, either man and female. When man is sperm, female is egg, right? Kena ada dua ni kan. So means that lepas tu mereka buat fertilization barulah ada zygote kan. Actually the meaning is this meaning is the number of abnormal number of chromosome. So the zygote actually is contain abnormal number of chromosome when during fertilization. So maksudnya and between aberrant gamete with normal. Aberrant gamete means that gamete is already abnormal lah. So means that one of the gamete is already abnormal. Either sperm or egg. Like human, maybe like human got uh 2N right? 2N got 46 chromosome. You betul kan? Human got 46 chromosome. Betul. Human got 46 chromosome. Ayo, sorry tadi saya tak cakap human 23 sorry. Human have 23 set, not 23 chromosome. Human got 46 chromosome, and then 46 chromosome. So each gamete, our sperm will have 23, and another one is also have 23. And this aneuploidy means that either sperm or egg, maybe dia sudah salah satu dia sudah abnormal. Maybe the sperm got only 22 or it contain 24. Either or egg contain 22 or contain 24. Don't know lah. So this is the what is mean by aneuploidy. So how this abnormal will occur during this for the gamete. So because of non-disjunction. Non-disjunction. Either dia berlaku dalam meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. I think meiosis 1, meiosis 2 process you guys know, although in Stpm not learn, but I think you still remember got. If you already forget, maybe you can refer to the book lah, SPM book. Meiosis, because meiosis process is the process is the cell division process special for gamete or gamete formation only. Hanya gamete formation sahaja undergo meiosis. Yang lain semua mitosis kan. And then so this is the, if you see this first column one, this is the normal meiosis. So after you do the meiosis one, you will get like this. Ini produk dia. One homologous chromosome by yang ni homologous chromosome. After you separate, you will separate the homologous chromosome, and then it undergo meiosis 2, you will separate the chromosome. Akan separate chromosome 2 kan. Lepas tu awak akan dapat gamete with N only. So this is 2N. Nah ni hanya ini, or for each gamete you will produce have N haploid gamete. Before that is diploid, right? So like at the end you will form haploid gamete. So this is normal condition. But if there is the mutation occur, we call non-disjunction occur, either meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 means that the chromosome number will be changed. Will be changed, right? So for chromosome, if let's say non-disjunction occur in meiosis 1, you see this, after it undergo meiosis 1, tak boleh separate lah. Sepatutnya kena separate. Sepatutnya one of the chromosome, this chromosome need to separate. Dia kena separate punya. Because of some reason, because of the lack of the spindle fiber. So if the separation of the meiosis is depend on the formation of spindle fiber. Because no spindle fiber formation, so it cannot separate the chromosome. So akan berlaku macam ni lah. So since it berlaku macam ni, so if you go meiosis 2, you see that you will get like this. Yang ni untuk yang atas, awak akan bagi macam ni lah. So it already have the abnormality lah. So finally your result, you will get two types of gamete. Either your gamete have tambah extra one chromosome, or either your gamete is have the minus one chromosome. Means that like human got 46 chromosome like this. At here since they are sudah abnormal, and then finally your product will get either it contain 24 chromosome or got 22 chromosome. Your gamete chromosome either have 24 or 22. Sudah tak? Sudah ada problem lah. And if your meiosis 2, okay, if non-disjunction is occur at meiosis 2, okay, after you go meiosis 1, okay, normal. But meiosis 2, ada problem lah. Ada problem kan? Yang sudah ada problem lah. So, macam mana? Macam mana if let's say problem ini, sini ada problem. Ini sudah problem lah. Lepas tu yang ni problem di sini. So actually if you do separation, that is why that you see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yang ni hanya 1, 2 saja because ini meiosis 2 hanya ke sini. Ini saja. Okay, so okay. Sorry. Kenapa macam ni? Okay. Okay, so since this already got problem, so you will see this problem at here. The separation is not occur. Tak ada separation. So if the Mandan disaster is occur at meiosis 2, you have these three possibility. Because meiosis 2 can produce another 2 gamete, right? Dia akan it will produce another 2 cell, right? Kan? Meiosis 1 actually will produce one cell, and meiosis 2 will produce 2 cell, right? So maybe one cell is all normal. Ini normal punya. So normal punya, so you will produce a gamete with the normal number of chromosome. But for this non-normal, so you will maybe produce either extra one or minus one. So for this one, you will get 24, 22, or 23. Ini depends lah. Depends lah. So it is very dangerous lah. So this is due to non-disjunction. What is mean by non-disjunction? Means that the separation cannot occur. For meiosis 1, it cannot occur during metaphase 1, and for meiosis 2, it is cannot occur during metaphase 2. The separation because no spindle fiber formation. Tak ada spindle fiber. Spindle fiber is formed for central, right? Yang ni semua kena awak baca lah. Baca untuk SPM punya. Ini already SPM you already learn what. Okay. Next, next I will proceed to types of aneuploidy. So there are actually many types of aneuploidy. So either it is monosomy. So monosomy means that organism contain less than one chromosome. Like for human, so I use human as example lah. Human contains 46 chromosome, right? So for monosomy, it will contain 2n minus 1, means that human only have 45 chromosome. So one chromosome is missing from its complete diploid. And then for trisomy, means that there are extra one chromosome with the inside the organism. Means that like human, there are it contains 47 one. For that tetrasomy means dia tambah lagi 2 lah. Like human, it will contain 48 chromosome. Ada 2 same chromosome is added. And for nullisomy is minus 2 lah. Dia sudah absent 2 chromosome. So for human, it is 44 chromosome lah. So it is a type of aneuploidy. But normally in human, we only have monosomy and trisomy only. Normally. Tetrasomy and this one nullisomy is other types of animal. But for human, we only have monosomy and trisomy. Yang ni dua hanya untuk other animal punya. So if you have a research in genetic, then you will know which type of animal will have tetrasomy and nullisomy. Okay, so next I will proceed to the human one. So in STPM ni will proceed more focus on human. Tak ada proceed untuk focus on animal lah. So, I already say aneuploidy is due to the non-disjunction occur. So, if let's say non-disjunction is occur at oogenesis, this gamete, the gamete of the gamete, this one oogenesis is who? For female one, right? The ovum, the egg that produced from the woman is causing non-disjunction process. So you see this graph. So yang lelaki punya the male one is normal. So XY, right? Because human we got the sex chromosome of the male is XY. So XY macam normal X and Y. But for female, dia akan, if the non-disjunction occur, either it is meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. Tak kisah. Tak kisah dia meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. Because female only have XX. Only. XX. Tak kisah dia meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. XX only. So it only contain 2 result only. Either it is contain XX or tak ada. Hanya satu result sahaja. Bukan satu, ada 2 result sahaja. So it actually in normal condition, the egg produced must only contain X only. Satu sahaja X, satu X sahaja. Tapi because of non-disjunction, so either non-disjunction, tak kisah dia no matter it is in meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. So if non-disjunction occur, either got 2 result only. Either it contain SS, the eggs gamete contain SS, or tak ada benda langsung, tak ada X langsung. So if this egg fertilized with the male, kalau buat fertilization, so this one will be fertilized with X, the organism, the baby, the zygote will have XXX, 3X punya. So this is the triple X syndrome. Yang ni akan dapat triple X syndrome lah. Yang ni dia akan dapat XO syndrome lah. Dia hanya satu sex chromosome sahaja. Hanya ada satu set chromosome only. So female one. So this is called Turner syndrome. And for XY, lepas tu maybe for Y punya, this is for sperm. Y, kalau dia fertilize with the XX, dia akan dapat XXY. So, will get Klinefelter syndrome, XXY. But for this, if no chromosome at all, no X chromosome at all, and it fertilized with Y, actually is non-viable. Means that this is can be known as lethargy lah. Tak boleh survive langsung. Ini tak ada orang macam ni punya. There were no people can survive at this one. Tak ada YO punya. Tak ada. X chromosome must contain inside the human body. Only X only. Okay, so this is kalau non-disjunction occur in oogenesis. So next is about spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis will be more complex because our male sex chromosome contain X and Y. So there are many types of condition will occur lah. Okay, so this one, if you see this first column is the normal condition. Normal condition will produce 2X, 2Y, right? Yang ni normal condition. But if the non-disjunction occur in meiosis 1, maksudnya in meiosis 1, the two cells produce yang sel 1 ni, ada satu sel ni akan semua gamete akan ada di sini. So XXYY, you see the XXYY actually only either contain X or contain Y only. But at here, all X and Y are semua dalam ini lah. Semua dalam ini lah. Yang lain sel lain tak ada langsung. Semua tak ada. This cell does not contain any sex chromosome. It does not contain any sex chromosome. But others contain S and Y. And then meiosis 2 is normal, then it will produce 2 chromosomes that contain XY and 2 chromosomes that does not contain any sex chromosome at all. So these two sperm, if fertilization occur, actually the zygote cannot survive lah. Itu baby itu memang mati punya. Tak ada lah kerana dia langsung tak ada sex chromosome. Walaupun female tu no female tu normal, female boleh kan? Female kalau female normal dia ada X. Boleh. Kerana dia langsung tak ada chromosome also can do XO. Boleh hanya boleh juga because female got X chromosome. X chromosome this 8 and then sperm kalau dia langsung tak ada chromosome actually can form XO, Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome buat yang ni XO, Turner syndrome buat. Boleh survive juga, boleh survive juga. So actually yang paling penting kami nak tengok yang ni, sperm contain XY. The sex chromosome in this sperm contain XY. Sepatutnya hanya either X either Y saja, tapi ni abnormal lah, dia XY semua pun ada dalam sperm. So if let's say this XY kalau dah dia bergabung dengan normal punya female X, dia akan dapat XXY. So this is Klinefelter male. Klinefelter male. Okay. Lepas tu, if the non-disjunction is occur at meiosis 2, so meiosis 1, the cell produced is normal. Got 2 cell, got one is only contain X chromosome and another one is contain only Y chromosome. Lepas tu, since meiosis 2 is undergo non-disjunction, so it will produce the X cannot be separated, the sex chromosome cannot be separated. So this got one sperm will have 2 X chromosome and another sperm will contain 2 Y chromosome. And then if the so if this XX person dia gabung dengan X punya male, so XX tambah dengan S, it will produce XXX lah. So this is the triple X syndrome lah. Yang ni syndrome. Yang ni kalau YY, so YY tambah X, dia akan jadi XYY male lah. XYY punya yang itu lelaki punya ada 2 Y chromosome. Ini lelaki punya. So formally, if you see that in spermatogenesis, kalau non-disjunction occur, kebanyak dalam lelaki dia ada 3 condition sahaja. Either it is 3 condition sahaja. Either it is X tambah O. O ni this is female, yang ni in male. Kalau non-disjunction occur in male, so X tambah O, so it will get XO. This is Turner syndrome. Lepas tu X tambah XY, dia akan dapat XXY. Yang ni XO ini female lah. Perempuan punya baby, perempuan. XXY kalau awak tengok Y ini memang lelaki lah. So this is the Klinefelter syndrome. Ataupun X tambah dengan YY. So this one will get XYY. So ini pun juga lelaki. So this is also male. So but it contain the abnormal chromosome lah. So this is the abnormality of the non-disjunction occur in spermatogenesis. Okay. Yang ni just extra information lah. Because I think Oxford tak ada explain kot. Tak ada. This is just extra information lah. So lepas tu yang ni penting lah, genetic disease lah. So yang ni tadi saya cakap punya Klinefelter syndrome, XYY syndrome, XO, Klinefelter, triple X ini semua adalah genetic disease. So due to the chromosome number change punya. So the first disease yang ni paling famous punya Down syndrome. Yang ni paling famous lah. It is due to the appearance of the 3 chromosome in 20 21st chromosome. 21st ah, betul ke? Betul ke? 21st ah. Nanti saya check ah. 21st ke? Betul betul 21st. Sorry. Saya sudah forget. Okay, 21st punya. So means that our body contain 23 chromosome, right? Yang nombor ke 21 punya chromosome contain 3 chromosome. Yang nombor 21 it contain 3 chromosome. So actually in normal we only contain 2 chromosome sahaja, tapi yang ni dia special, dia ada 3. So this is we call as, kalau orang yang macam ni it get Down syndrome. So these are the physical characteristic lah. Ini semua physical characteristic lah. So kalau yang anda Down syndrome punya, it is short stature. Maksudnya dia sangat rendah punya. Tinggi mereka sangat rendah. Yet they are very short one. And then they have the fold in eyelids. In eyelid, they have short nose and neck. Protruding tongue. The tongue is spatial. Yang protruding shape. Spots in iris. Low resistance to infection means that the immune system in these people is very low. And mentally retardation, they have mental got some type of the natural mentally retardation, high risk in leukemia and Alzheimer's disease, and also they have got short lifespan. Yang kebanyakan yang ada syndrome ni memang mereka ada short lifespan lah. Okay. So yang ni adalah paling famous punya lah. Yang ni saya rasa SPM awal pun belajar lah. Lepas tu adalah yang ni barulah Patau syndrome. This is the also 3 chromosome, tapi yang this one is at the 13 chromosome, nombor 13. Yang nombor 13 ni chromosome adalah 3 chromosome. Yang ni normally it only can survive 3 months only. Normally lah, in average hanya boleh survive at 3 months only. So normally this kind of people you see their nose, so this one is called cleft lip lah. Cleft lip, awak tengok muka dia, mulut mereka dia ada satu lubang macam ni punya. So this one is called cleft lip. And also hearing deficiency, dengar tak boleh dengar banyak lah. Heart abnormality, kenapa dia tak boleh survive? Kebanyakan adalah heart abnormality. Jantung dia pun tak boleh function lah. Jantung dia pun tak normal juga. Hearing deficiency and also mental imbalance lah. And if you see their hand also, their ear is also dysplatic. So this kind of baby is very kesian lah. Sangat kesian lah. Kerana normally if you this kind of baby tak boleh hidup sampai 3 bulan lah. So yang ni kesian lah. Sangat kesian punya. Another one is also Edward syndrome. This one also 3 chromosome, but it is at 18 chromosome, yang nombor 18. Nombor 18 punya. Yang Edward syndrome ni it also can survive, yang lifespan dia sangat rendah sahaja, yang normally 1 tahun lah. Lebih panjang sikit berganti dengan Patau syndrome. Patau syndrome hanya 3 bulan. Tapi pun sikit lah kan, 1 tahun sahaja pun sangat kesian pun lah. So normally if you see this kind of baby, the many organ incomplete at birth. So kenapa dia boleh mati? Kerana of organ. Organ dia not completely formed. Organ in the body is not completely formed. You see that tak ada organ, badan kami function bergantung daripada organ kan. So kadar organ memanglah. Lepas tu telinga dia dan tangan dia macam sama dengan Patau syndrome sahaja. Lepas tu the nose is very small and the mouth is very small. So you will see that dia hidung dia dan mulut mereka sangat kecil sahaja. And then the neck is short. Awak boleh tengok dia tak ada neck punya. Boleh cakap tak ada neck punya. And mental deficiency and U-shaped kidney. The shape of the kidney is U-shaped one. Our normal kidney is bean-shaped, right? Our normal kidney is bean-shaped. But that this patient contain U-shape and also short sternum. Sternum is the bone at the lung. Awak tahu kan, lung kami kita ada satu lobe yang ni, lepas tu ada banyak ribcage, right? Yang ni kan, our lung punya structure, this one is ribcage. Yang tengah-tengah ni kami panggil sternum lah. This is the short sternum lah, yang sternum dia berbanding dengan orang biasa, dengan baby biasa lah. Saya tak mahu cakap orang baby biasa adalah pendek sikit lah. So this is why this abnormality cause them, it cannot survive normally 1 tahun lah. Normally is 1 tahun lah. Okay. Next is about sex chromosome punya. Yang tiga-tiga ni adalah untuk autosome punya. Yang ni adalah nombor 21, yang ni nombor 13, yang ni nombor 18. Yang lepas ni, it is include sex chromosome nombor 23 punya. So, Klinefelter syndrome is, I already said, it is XXY punya. Their sex chromosome is XXY punya. So, dia adalah lelaki. Dia tak tahu lah nak cakap siapa lah ke apa, but it is actually a man, right? A man, because it has male reproductive organ, what? Dia ada jantan punya. Dia ada jantan punya. Tapi at the same time, it also have the breast. Dia ada breast one. So it is the male with small testes, but the testes of this lelaki, testis dia sangat kecil saja. So it is immature. I can say that it is immature form lah. Immature form. So it cannot form sperm one. Tak boleh menghasilkan sperm. So since it cannot form sperm, so this male is sterile. Dia tak boleh form sperm. So memang dia tak ada boleh melahirkan anak lah. Memang tak boleh melahirkan anak punya lah. Orang ni memang tak ada anak punya. Because it is the testis is very small until it cannot form sperm, so dia memang tak ada anak punya. And it is very tall one. The person of the lelaki yang macam ni punya memang dia akan sangat tinggi punya. And then hand and leg is very long one. If you see the head, the arm of this person and the hand of this person sangat panjang punya. And also it has the female-like breast development lah. They have breast one. So dia macam lelaki pun macam perempuan juga. Tapi muka dia macam lelaki. Muka dia memang macam lelaki. It also have the male reproductive organ. But just that it have the female characteristic of the breast development. Yang ni lelaki tak ada punya. Hanya perempuan ada sahaja kan. Breast development. Yang ni dia ada lah. So yang ni person. So orang yang ada a patient macam ni, actually it can survive as normal one. The lifespan is macam normal person lah. Just that it is sterile only. Dia tak ada anak lah. Memang dia tak ada anak. Tapi the lifespan is sama sahaja dengan orang biasa. And then is about triple X syndrome. Okay, this one is perempuan. XXX. 3X punya normal, perempuan hanya 2X. Tapi ini perempuan ada 3X. So normally this kind of perempuan is, if you see this gambar, you say that it have lower average language skill lah. Poor memory for recent event. Maksudnya dia cakap low language skill, maksudnya dia cakap macam tak boleh cakap dengan lancar lah. Dia kena fikir sikit, fikir sana. Or language skill is not good lah. And also their memory is also poor. Boleh lupa. It is easier to forget the things lah. And also development of external sex organ normal. And also it have the slightly mental retardation. And unusually tu yang perempuan ni pun sangat tinggi punya. Kebanyakan perempuan ni sangat tinggi. And also has the wing of learning disability lah. Maksudnya dia kalau nak belajar, keupayaan orang ni untuk belajar adalah sangat rendah lah. Tak macam orang biasa lah. Orang biasa kalau belajar boleh ikut dengan standard yang ditentukan oleh KPM. Tapi orang ni tak boleh. Orang ni nak belajar dia kena guna masa yang panjang punya. So but this female is fertile. Fertile maksudnya dia boleh produce the egg. It can produce the normal ovum and can boleh melahirkan anak lah. Yang ni it can produce children lah. Children lah. But if you but actually got risk lah because it is XXS. So maksudnya kalau ovum dia akan jadi either XX or XX punya. So the sex chromosome in the ovum for this perempuan ni dia akan ada either XX or X. XX tak normal lah, X punya normal. So ini risk dia lah. Anak dia dapat pun akan kebakalan akan cepat ini pun juga. And then these are the characteristics lah. Lack of skin, constriction or iota, poor breast development, underdeveloped ovaries. That lah. So does this female also normally it is normal people but just that it have slightly mental retardation lah. Kalau awak berkomunikasi dengan orang ni dia macam ada tak tahulah dia macam kurang aktif sikit lah, So next is Jacob syndrome. It is XYY. Dia ada dua Y punya. So yang ni adalah lelaki. Ini lelaki punya. Or male lah. So but at this lelaki it has normal sexual development. Dia ada the testis of this man is normal. It can produce sperm and it is fertile lah. Memang fertile punya lah. Boleh hasilkan anak punya. But the people for this same unusually tall. Dia sangat tinggi punya. But normally this kind of people dia tak ada simptom yang sangat berbeza punya compared to other syndrome and have heavy age. But for this kind of male, it have criminal tendency. Maksudnya lelaki macam ni dia ada tendensi untuk membuat jenayah lah, membuat kes jenayah punya. This is the gene sequence. Mereka buat analisis, the scientist buat analisis conclude like this, and also this male also have the delayed development of talking and language skill and also motor skill. Motor skill means cara untuk berjalan lah. Kan kami baby tak tahu macam mana jalan, tak tahu macam mana don't know how to walk, how to stand. So this is the motor skill lah. Our parents will teach us right baby. But for this kind of baby, during baby they are difficult lah. They are normally for the former baby normally 3 years or either 2 years. 2 years already can stand. Already. Sudah boleh berdiri lah. Tapi yang ni motor skill because of delay maybe dia kena sampai 4 tahun atau 3 tahun baru boleh berdiri. And also weak muscle tone. Okay. Next is about Turner syndrome. This one is female and it is XO. Dia hanya ada satu sex chromosome sahaja. XO. So hanya satu sex chromosome. So this female actually the ovum are not fully developed. Not fully developed. So no ovum memang dia akan sterile lah. Yang ni orang patient ni memang dia tak ada anak punya. Dia tak ada anak punya. Tak akan ada anak. And also short stature. So perempuan ni sangat pendek lah. Ya, memang ketinggiannya sangat pendek. And neck, you see the neck is web, and also slightly mental retardation. And also you will see it is heart shape. The face is heart shape, and also we see this straight over V, and also both change with white B of space nipples, and also low posterior hairline. So this is the female lah. Ini perempuan juga. But the paling important is dia tak boleh melahirkan anaknya. Okay. So actually, okay. So actually, this is about aneuploidy. So aneuploidy already explain habis. Ini adalah disease yang awak kena tahu. Semua ini awak kena tahu punya. All of the disease and also the symptom you kena tahu. Because in examination normally dia akan keluar lah. Especially the sex punya disease. Okay, that is about the another types of the mutation, another type of the mutation, second type of the mutation, and the last topic lah for this life polyploidy. So what is this mean? Apa perbezaan dengan aneuploidy? Polyploidy is a condition when the species originate from an accident during cell division that result in extra set of chromosome. So yang ni in dengan kata lain ploidy ialah kromosom hanya satu kromosom sahaja yang normally it's only 1 to 2 chromosome is abnormal. Either dia 2M minus 1, 2M plus 1 or minus 2 like that only. But in polyploidy dia adalah doubling. The chromosome, the extra set, it will have the extra set of chromosome. Maksudnya, it can be 2N, dia akan jadi 3N. Dia akan jadi 4N. Dia akan jadi 5N. Tak tahulah. It will be 2N will change to 3N. Or it can double, become 4N. Or it can become 5N. Or it can become 6N. Dia boleh macam ni. So, normally is occur in plant only. Hanya untuk tumbuhan sahaja. Animal tak ada. Animal kalau macam ni memang dia akan mati lah. Tak ada orang macam ni punya. Normally is in the plant. Because plant is more complex. So non-disjunction, because why of this happen? Because non-disjunction is occur at all chromosome. So yang tadi aneuploidy hanya satu kromosom sahaja. That is sex chromosome. Normally is occur at the sex chromosome only. Because meiosis, right? Meiosis, right? Because so it is only including sex chromosome. Sex chromosome not sex chromosome. Gamete. Sorry. Gamete. It only involved in gamete only because it involves meiosis. But for this, it is involved in all chromosome pair. Maksudnya mitosis lah. Mitosis dia sudah ada non-disjunction occur already. So will produce abnormal gamete lah to their parent cell. So it is now, and then this one it will cause sympatric speciation. Dia akan berlaku sympatric speciation. Apa itu? Refer balik lah apa itu maksud sympatric speciation. Okay. So there are two types of the polyploidy. First type is called autopolyploid. Autopolyploidy. So this mean that the individual normally is plant that has more than 2 chromosome set that are all derived from a single species. Okay, apa maksudnya? Maksudnya individual that has more than 2 chromosome set. So means that the finally baby, it will have more than 2 chromosome set that are all derived from a single species. Maksudnya ibu bapa mereka adalah spesies yang sama sahaja. Ibu bapa mereka adalah spesies yang sama, but yang anak mereka macam ni, the ibu bapa mereka ada kromosom 2N equal to 6. But anak mereka sudah jadi 4N lah. Sudah double lah. The chromosome number sudah double lah. Become 4N equal to 12. Why? Because of the meiotic error here. Kalau in normal situation, if this plant 2N equal to 6, kalau dia undergo meiosis, it should be contain only 3 chromosome and 3 chromosome only. Hanya ada 3 saja. Kan meiosis only hanya N equal to 3. N equal to 3. But yang ni special, dia tak ada. Dia remain 2N also. If you see this gamete, the gamete also remain 2N. Dia langsung 2N also. 2N also. And then they fertilize. After they fertilize, they will get 4N tetra. So this is tetraploid. 2N is diploid, right? Diploid, right? Yang ni 4N kami panggil tetraploid. Because of this, dia ada sudah ada 12 lah. So actually, this species actually yang anak ni actually it is already become new species already. It is the new species at all. So that is why we call sympatric speciation. New species is formed through sympatric. New species is formed already because the chromosomal number is totally different from their ibu bapa mereka. And for the ectoploid, the anak is fertile. Why it is fertile? Because the chromosome inside 15, since it is come from the same species. Ibu bapa mereka adalah species yang sama. So chromosome mereka almost the same. Just that in meiosis process, the chromosome is not separated only. So the type of the chromosome is almost the same. So they also can able to form homologous chromosome and they can interbreed to each other. It is self-fertile, self-cause lah. Kena buat self-cause. Kena interbreed with the species yang sama. Yang ada same chromosome ini. Tak boleh interbreed with the ibu bapa mereka lah. Ibu bapa mereka, species mereka langsung tak boleh lah. Macam ibu bapa mereka is A species. Lepas tu mereka akan lahir B species punya tumbuhan. Lepas tu B species punya, kalau dia nak dia nak melahirkan anak dia tak boleh cari A species punya lah. Tak boleh lah. Macam orang, ini human. Senang sikit lah, ini human. Ini kami, human tu melahirkan anjing. Contoh spesies yang langsung berbeza punya. So, anjing ni kalau dia nak melahirkan anak dia mesti tak boleh cari human lah kerana kromosom sudah tak sama lah. So, anjing ni kena cari anjing yang sama lah. Kena cari anjing juga lah. Ini contoh masuknya lah. Masuknya lah. So, ini definition lah. Okay. Next is allopolyploid. Okay, this one is that individual has more than 2 chromosome sets, same also 2 chromosome sets, but it is from 2 different species. Yang ni adalah same species, single species, same species. Ibu bapa adalah species yang sama. Tapi yang ni species yang berbeza. So if you see that, this is species A. Ini species B. Mereka species yang berbeza. So mereka memang chromosome number mereka akan berbeza. You see that this is 6 chromosome. Ini ada 4 sahaja. So they undergo meiosis. Actually is normal meiosis. And then this one will form 2 lah. Ini ada 2, yang ni ada 3. Lepas tu mereka buat fertilization. Mereka akan dapat zygote yang ada N equal to 5. And this is telah hybrid zygote. Maksudnya yang ni dia tak boleh melahirkan anak punya. Dia tak boleh lahirkan anak punya. Kenapa? Because the chromosome inside this chromosome of this zygote cannot interbreed with each other. Dia tak dapat buat crossing over. If you knew that our meiosis have to do crossing over, dia tak boleh. Because chromosome dia memang tak sama. If you use same species, at least the chromosome are same. Chromosome are same, so they can form homologous chromosome. But for this one, mereka langsung tak boleh buat homologous chromosome lah. Because chromosome mereka langsung tak sama. Because of different species punya. So they cannot go crossing over. So they are sterile. But in nature, our nature is very powerful. So this plant, they have to find their way. Kalau dia tak boleh lahir, memang tak boleh lahir ke? Tak boleh. Dia akan cari caranya. So caranya adalah it will double use the way. I don't know what way. it will double the chromosome number. Akan bertambah 2 ganda. Maksudnya ini 5 kan. Lepas tu dia akan tambah 2 ganda, become 2n. 2n. So this is we call allopolyplot. Ini kami panggil lah allopolyplot. Allopolyplot. So means that it will become fertile. Yang ni akan menjadi fertile. Baru boleh can interbreed with the self cause lah, kena self cause juga. Self fertile to the same organism that have the same species lah. So this one also new species is formed lah. Species yang baru juga. Yang ni pun species yang baru juga. This is a newly formed species lah. Newly formed species. So ini pun sama, it is also new species. But yang ni dia tak perlu buat, dia tak ada proses ini. Dia tak ada. Yang ni dia tak ada. Autopolyplot dia tak ada. But for allopolyplot dia mesti ada. So because of the nature is very powerful, since this is sterilized, so it need to change to become, it can become fertile. It need to change from sterilized to become fertile. So it will doubling the chromosome number. So since the chromosome is double, so it can form homologous chromosome. So it is fertile, but only dia tak boleh mate with the ibu bapa mereka lah. Tak boleh lah, memang tak boleh lah. Kerana chromosome number memang tak sama. Tak boleh lah, memang tak boleh. Dia hanya boleh mating with the species yang sama lah. Yang ini sahaja. Means that 2n equal to 10 lah. Dia nak cari species yang ni lah. A, B, ibu bapa mereka memang tak boleh lah. Okay. So, actually end lah, finally end of this life. So for this life, I will focus on chromosomal mutation. So there are 2 types of chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation in structure and also chromosomal number mutation. So hopefully you guys can listen lah. And also I am very thanks use this time lah. Very thanks that who listen my life lah. Watch my life from last week until now. So this is the final life for this chapter. So I don't know I will proceed to other chapter or not. This need to see my time lah. Or any update, I will update in Telegram channel. So you guys have interested to it, you can join the Telegram channel lah. I already put the link at my video. So not only Telegram channel, I also have do the Facebook channel lah. So you also can follow my Facebook channel. The information will also post to the Facebook channel, and also the Facebook channel I also will post up the video of this chapter 17 lah. So you either can choose lah, either you want to watch at Facebook or watch at YouTube, up to you. So that's all for this live. So thanks for your support, for 1 week support, and then I hope that you guys can get the knowledge and information from my life lah. And also for the trailer, I just want to mention that maybe I do not proceed to other chapter lah, because maybe some of you already learn all of these chapter already sangat hebat lah. Saya tak tahu, memang maybe you already sangat hebat. So for now, I have preparing the revision lah, the revision question. So I will post it in as soon as possible in coming soon. So stay tuned and have a nice day. So thank you for your support, and apologize that you can spend your time to watch my live. So thanks for your supporting, and have a good day and nice day. So good luck for your examination in semester 3 and ulangan 2. So thank you.